So our first presenter is Jack, an 8th grader. And I've known Jack for 3 years now. I've taught them 6th and 7th and 8th grade. And he always struck me with his great enthusiasm with which he would approach every challenge problem that was given to him. And he would never give up until he would figure it out. So, welcome, Jack.
So this first sophism that I will be presenting was one that I found really interesting, so much so that the first day I learned it, I immediately went home and my sister and I showed it to our family to try to confuse them. And so this sophism is one that states that 50 cents or half a dollar is actually equal to 5 cents. Starts like this. 1/4 of a dollar is equal to 25 cents. Next, I will take the square roots of both sides. So I will have the square root of 1/4 is equal to the square root of 25. Now, the answer to each of these will be 1/2, because 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. Because 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. 1/2 of a dollar is equal to 25 cents, or not 25 cents, excuse me, 5 cents, because 5 times 5 is 25. So, obviously, this looks like I did this correctly. This looks like I used perfect logic. And I have discovered this great discovery that 1/2 of a dollar is actually 5 cents. So this is not true.
No way.
Yes, it's not true, Shane. And really, what's happening here is I am hiding the units in this second step, because obviously 1/4 of a dollar is 25 cents. But when I'm taking the square roots, I'm hiding the units. And if I was to not do that, I would have the square root of a dollar and a cent. And since there is no numerical value to a dollar or a cent, you can't really find the square root of either of those. So that just, it doesn't work. So what you would do to correct this sophism was in the second step here, well, no, in the first step, you would have to change this unit to make it equal to this unit. So you could keep 1/4 of a dollar, and instead, you would take equals 0.25 cents. That way, it's the same unit. Then, if you use the same steps that I did here, you would have the square root of 1/4 is equal to the square root of 0.25, which would then be 1/2 of a dollar is equal to 0.5 dollars. And that is the correct